Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to enable cheats and ghost mode in Valorant. In order to enable ghost mode, you have to have your cheats active. For that, go to custom games, options, allow cheats on. Now close the window. Now click on start and the custom game will start. Let's select an agent. I'll just pick Raze. Another game will load. Now we're in the game. Now to enable ghost mode, let's go to cheats. Scroll down in this window. Click on in ghost option. Now close. Now you can see I can freely fly around in ghost mode. You can also assign a hotkey for the ghost mode to active. Now press G. As you can see, the ghost mode is active again. Now press G again and it will deactivate. And that's how you enable ghost and cheat mode. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.